Ganella tala chocht sus lei hain. Husig she eg shenam aran piano nor vi she ocht. She was 8 when she started playing the piano, guys. Who she piano, getting guitar, August shine she aran fiddle, aran a drummy. She plays pretty much the National Symphony Orchestra, guys. She's just brilliant. So Kurgi Verlava le Kayla Lower Dull, le Megan Ring, August the Shisher Fall, so like Gurn to Shin, Facebook Shin. Facebook.com/Megan Ring Music. So you can also find her on Facebook. And, well, Tan Colleen Chalk and Dullachki. This girl's definitely going places, guys. So, Kurgin Love the Kayla Bullabus Mordum, Megan Ring.
Yes, hello. Welcome to West Dublin Access Radio 96 FM. I feel like I'm whispering in a corner here. We're broadcasting from Tionol here in Áras Cronan, which is a showcase for local bands, singers from the West Dublin area to give them a chance at maybe first time on stage. First group up was a band called Men in Slacks. That was followed by James Lennon. We'll talk to James Lennon very shortly. But first of all, we have Alan. And Alan, tell me your second name again.
What?
McFeely.
McFeely, yeah.
McFeely, Alan McFeely from Men in Slacks. Thanks for joining us. A great opener.
Thank you so much. The crowd was electric. The crowd are brilliant down there, actually. You don't feel nervous at all.
Could you feel the buzz?
It's absolutely amazing, especially when you're standing up there on stage. You're surrounded by people. Well, for us, we don't know anyone.
Yeah.
So the crowd made us feel very welcome, and we're very happy about it.
Good stuff. Is that your first live performance on stage?
No, we've been playing now for about 2 years, but we've never gotten a reaction like that before from people we don't know, like family and friends come to see us.
Real buzz then.
Yeah, it was brilliant.
And any original material in your repertoire, or are you working on stuff?
We do. We're signed to a management company, TMI, and we're currently working on our EP, where the single launches in September.
Excellent.
In the village in town.
Fantastic. Well, listen, keep us posted about that.
Oh, we definitely will.
And you're signed to EMI?
TMI. I wish.
You're flying along there. Todd said EMI. Excellent stuff. Who else is in the band with you?
It's myself, a lad called Luke Rayner, and today we had John Gaffney playing with us. He was a guest guitarist. Our original guitarist couldn't be here. His name is Carl Brown. So we had a guest guitarist today, and I think he did quite well.
Okay, this is good. It's good to hear.
Definitely.
Well, listen, we're about to go back to stage. Thanks for talking.
Thanks so much for having me.
Yeah, you're welcome. Thank you.
Mixed signals there. Tom the Rasherish. Mar dort mé tá cuptainna an seo couple of sár cheoltar a few great musicians agus tá níos móla teacht, a lot more to come. Dúrach tá cuptainna géiste ling bio Radio Freshen, Radio Cronan agus WDAR Sinóg sé FM in Mali Armada. So fearing dúrach sin a choreograph na Doghini, má tá sí teacht to shop bio. Few people tuned in there, a few listeners, so just to remind them that we're also listening to Radio Cronan and WAR 96 FM. So, Captain Gomez Ray, the Megan to say, Jonas Garrod, yeah?